What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be bringing you a quick, simple, easy video on how to make a solid wood teak ring. I'm going to be using two different pieces of teak wood for this build. One's just a plain piece, the other one is a scrap piece from my Shoshigi Bond episode. And as you can see, you can pick that up on the camera. I've already marked out a 1-inch square, drew lines to mark the center of it. And all I'm going to do is cut it out with a spade bit. I'm going to use a couple of different sizes just because this one, my first attempt, didn't quite fit so well, and all I had was a 3/4 inch spade bit. So this one's going to be a 3/16, a 13/16, and a 7/8 is what I'm going to use. And then I'm also going to try out this brand new toy, my brand new Dremel 7300. I'm really excited to use this. My first Dremel, hand rotary tool. So I'm excited to give it a shot and see how well it does for a project like this. And also, stick around till the end of the episode for a couple special updates to my channel. And also, if you enjoy green as your favorite color, you're going to want to see my next episode. I got something very special planned for you guys. Without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so now that I have these rough cut into roughly the shape that I want them in, I'm going to use the sanding drum attachment on the Dremel to get the final shape and smooth out the insides so that they fit. I'm also going to double check the size on the ring mandrel so that I know that they fit well. So the regular piece of teak is sitting at around size 10. Which should be fit just right for my ring finger. The Shoshigi Bond scrap piece with the 7/8 spade bit is sitting right around 13.5, which is a little bit too big for my ring finger, but fits well for my middle finger. So it still works out depending on which ring I want to wear that day. And now there's no escaping it, the dreaded hand sanding. Just be able to get it to those finer, get into those finer grits and really polish it up. I'm going to hit these guys with a quick coat of boiled linseed oil. Bring the color back on these guys. Get a nice, it's alright, can't tell. Get a nice clean finish back on these guys. Just a little bit, just enough. Bring the color back. I'm gonna let these dry, wipe off the excess, and then finish it off with a coat of thin CA glue. Well, in the course of drying this off from putting some boiled linseed oil on it, I snapped this one. So, I mean, it looked good all up until then. But anyways, I'm going to take the one that's not snapped, and I'm going to finish it with a light coat of CA glue. And hopefully that stabilizes and strengthens it enough so where it won't snap, but who knows. Here's hoping. Solid wood teak ring, solid teak wood ring. I mean, I can't speak today. Made just using one piece, using this spade bit on a drill, and my brand new little handy dandy Dremel. Like I say, I really like this tool. It makes it a lot easier to do these sort of projects, especially rings. Trying to, sand the inside and shape it. It can be kind of a pain with just trying to do it with hand tools, and it can take a really long time just hand sanding or trying to carve down the edges and get that perfect ring shape using a chisel or any kind of other sharp instrument, a saw, what have you. So there you go. I'm really pleased with the way it came out. Kind of bummed that the other one broke, but that's how it is. Live and learn. So next time I'll leave a little bit more material on the side so that it's a bit more structurally sound, especially when I'm sanding it. Yeah, it just got a little too thin on the side, so I'll remember that for next time and be able to make another beautiful ring. This one came out good. Fits well, not too bulky, looks good. I love the color of it, and I'm definitely probably going to be wearing this a little bit more from now on. Anyways, back to the updates. So update number 1, really excited about. Say hello to my brand new logo that you'll be seeing from now on my channel. This was designed by Fazila over at Fiverr. Really wonderful customer service that she is. Wonderful designer. Really enjoyed communicating with her and getting back, going backwards, just trying to find the right design for me that I was happy with, and which wasn't hard at all. It was almost like instant first try, and I was like blown away by her design. So that's going to be my new channel logo from now on that you'll be seeing from now on. So really excited about that. Update number 2, you may start noticing in some of my other videos, I updated and edited in the descriptions, kind of to go along with my new Dremel here. I joined Amazon Associates. So if you start seeing links down below for different tools, they are affiliate links. They, if you click on that link, go to Amazon, put that item in your cart and purchase that item, I do get a small kickback from that, and that'll just go to supporting me, supporting my channel, and helping me do more of these builds and make more of these videos for you guys. So if you do that, I'd appreciate it. If not, that's cool too, totally your choice. Just want to be open and transparent with what's going on my channel. So thank you guys again for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload my new videos. And again, thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for that next video. I hope you enjoy. Take care.